How is everything least be forgotten? September 18th Tribute. Let us always remember that fateful day in September, and the ones who paid the ultimate sacrifice should be remembered by all of us, who left their comfort and ended in dungeon to face foes as yet unknown, to melt like a burning candle in a tray, when men's heart had gone astray. Brothers and sisters with bravado, who never question what to do, who are a source of our inspiration and hope, and strength to others who could not cope. Heroes that would not turn their back, with determination that would not crack, who bound together in their tasks, and asking not a word of thanks. Heroes who bravely gave their lives, who left the comfort of their families, can proudly look back on their deed, who gave citizens all they need. Actions taken without regret, heroism we shall never forget. The ones who paid the ultimate price, let's never forget their sacrifice. Taken their future, not their past. Amongst us, it will always last. Pride the beloved country still rage on. We march for freedom under their icon. And never forget the ones not around to cheer, who stand up for the freedom we all hold dear. And may their memory never fade, lest their sacrifice be in vain, lest them be forgotten. Read by By Bereket, written by Bereket Yohannes.